Okay, and I did 58. I did get an answer to it. I got this one over here. And I mean, honestly, it's not bad. I mean, if I saw a student, I'd say, dude, good job. Question is it correct? And I kind of looked at what Sage spit back to me, gave me this over here, and I started having suspicions about what I was writing down over here. And what I'm going to claim over here is that these two antiderivatives are the same only on one interval. And that interval they're really going to be the same is here. All right? Now, someone says, how'd you know about that? What I did was I graphed it, all right? And then what I'm going to say is that in the interval between minus pi and pi, that they both graph out the same. They both graph out the same, all right? But then when you move away from those intervals, what happens is they're going to differ by different constants as I move along. So for example, over here, you notice the constant difference there is that big, and then it gets this big, and then it gets this big. So it really depends on what interval you're on, right? It depends on what interval you're on, what the constant's going to be. And that's important. So I'm going to say, basic looking visually at a problem is not a bad idea. But again, showing these things are equivalent might take a little bit of work. But again, graphing it out, I start to see that they're equivalent on a band. As I move away from the band, they differ by constant, which we're expecting to see for derivatives. But again, I think it's a pretty straightforward antiderivative. Thank you.